Hello everyone, I'm Khwaja Rizwan and I'm presenting to you another Miro template, and this template is about architecture technology roadmap. Um, Architecture technology roadmap template is a strategic visual planning tool that helps IT managers, CTOs, enterprise architects map out the evolution of their organization's technology landscape over time. This comprehensive template enables you to align technology initiatives with business goals, manage the transition from current to future states, and communicate complex technology strategies to stakeholders across multiple layers, including business capabilities, applications, data infrastructure, security, and key initiatives. A question arises, what problem does the architecture technology roadmap template is going to solve for technology leaders? As you are aware that technology leaders face several critical challenges when planning and executing their organization's digital transformation. This may include lack of strategic alignment, difficulty connecting technology investments to business outcomes, and ensuring all stakeholders understand the technology direction. The another could be complex dependencies management, struggling to visualize and manage dependencies between infrastructure upgrades, application migrations, and data modernizations efforts. Resource allocation conflicts, competing initiatives without a clear view of team capacity, budget constraints, and timeline overlaps. Communication gaps, technical roadmaps that are too complex for executives or too simplified for implementation teams. Legacy system retirement, planning the orderly sunset of outdated technology while building modern replacements without business disruptions. So, this template solves these problems by providing a unified visual framework that shows the complete technology journey from current state through migration phases to target architecture with clear timelines, dependencies, and ownership. So, how to use architecture technology roadmap template? The first step is going to be begin the customizing the timeline or header with your planning horizon, typically 2 to 3 years. So in our example, we have taken this as a multi-channel retail e-commerce technology roadmap for 3 years, dividing into quarters, and add your organization's context, including company name, which goes here, revenue, IT budget, strategic goal, and key initiatives. Step two is going to be map business capabilities. So as you can see here, this timeline is spread over multiple components. It starts with the business capabilities. In the first swim lane, document the key business capabilities your technology will support. For example, customer experience, supply chain, financial management. Show when each capability will be enhanced or transformed with color coded bars, as you can see here. And these colors can be the timelines, and the colors can be selected by adding over here. You just come here and select the timeline, start and the end time. And you can select the color from here. And you can only select colors from this palette. Then step 3 is document the application layer. List current applications, their status, legacy, stable, modern, and planned actions, which may include maintain, upgrade, replace, or retire. Show application details and timelines bars to indicate migration or upgrade windows. As you can see here, that these applications are highlighted with the colors. This pink color relates to the retire or decommissioning of the application or the system. And this light orange color indicates the migration. And this orange shows the migration. Then upgrade is the blue color. So this color coding is very essential to represent all the applications and their categorization. Then comes the infrastructure. Before infrastructure, you will be defining the data layer. Map your data architecture, including databases, data warehouses, data lakes, and analytics platforms. Show data migration efforts, integration points, and data governance initiatives across the timeline. So in our example, we have included Oracle database, which is on-prem and spreads over an 80 terabyte, and it's a legacy system which will be retired in the first quarter of this roadmap. Then we'll be implementing the data warehouse and for a cost of 800 k dollars per year. And then the data migration will be done from Oracle to Snowflake, and then Snowflake Enterprise will go live along with the real-time analytics and streaming. Then comes the infrastructure. So plan infrastructure evolution. Document your infrastructure journey, whether it's cloud migration, data center consolidation, or hybrid cloud implementation. Show migration waves, as you can see here, wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. Migration waves and indicate when legacy infrastructure will be decommissioned. As you can see here, after these three waves, our DC will be decommissioned in almost quarter 3 of 27. Then comes the key initiatives. And before key initiatives, you can also set out the security and compliance. For small projects, you may omit this security and compliance, but for the enterprise projects, you need to add this security and compliance. It's very important. And after the security and compliance comes the key initiatives. Create detailed project with major technology initiatives including budget, team size, project owner status, and dependencies. Place these strategically on the timeline to show execution phase. As you can see here, we have defined altogether 6 key initiatives, and which include e-commerce platform modernization, data platform modernization, customer experience enhancement, security posture enhancement in ERP. And all these are set out very strategically over this roadmap. For example, this first e-commerce platform modernization is set for let's say 2 quarters, the first quarter, last quarter of 25, and first quarter of 26. And similarly, same action is taken for all of the other key initiative. Then we come to the second part, and second part is technology lifecycle, which is our tech radar. Tech radar. Create separate section with 4 quadrants: adopt, trial, assess, and hold, to communicate your organization's technology adoption strategy and guide teams on which technologies to use or avoid. Then we come to the major dependencies and critical path. Uh, Show critical dependencies between initiatives, highlight bottlenecks, and create paths and resource constraints that could impact delivery. Define success metrics and key performance indicators that will measure the success of your technology transformation, such as system uptime, cost optimization, targets, or business value delivered. So, lastly, Review and communicate regularly. Treat this as a living document. Schedule monthly updates and quarterly stakeholder reviews to keep the roadmap current and maintain alignment across the organization. So, for IT managers and enterprise architectures, a 3 year planning uh, horizon works best. First year should show quarterly details with specific details, projects milestones. Years, usually from 2 to 3 years, can use half year increments with broader initiatives. Technology changes too rapidly for detailed plans beyond 3 years, but you can include a vision section for 5 year strategic direction. So, I hope that this template is going to help you a lot in defining the architecture technology roadmap for your organization. And do like, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments if this template is helpful for you. And looking forward more work coming to you in the coming weeks, months. Thank you very much for your time for watching this video.